how to to overcome traumas.
Kailangan ng self-awareness. Kasi yung iba kasi yung feeling of being lost, lalo na pag merong na-experience na trauma like what you guys are saying. Kailangan yung kailangan yung mag-pay attention. Tapos kailangan nyo ng avenues para mag-release than suppress it. Kasi hindi siya mawawala kahit anong edad nyo, kahit matanda na kayo, kaya maraming tao na nasa deathbed na sila. Doon sila nagsasabi ng regrets, doon sila humihingi ng forgiveness, doon nila ine-express yung mga hindi nila nasabi nung may time pa sila. So habang may time kayo, focus on learning about yourself, loving yourself, and giving value to yourself. Kasi doon nagsa-start yung healing journey once na ni-recognize nyo na kailangan nyo yung process na yon.